Don't do it. Girl, what the hell? Girl, you ain't supposed to do that.
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep it? They're all black?
Yes.
Oh my fucking god. Where did you guys find 6 black cats?
I'm just sitting here with my door open and this thing came in.
What? What is going on? What the crap?
What's happening?
This isn't your house, but it's my house. You can come in though.
Perfect. Oh my god.
Kitty, kitty. He's on the side of the road. He's gonna get killed for sure. Someone just, oh no, it's a whole, oh my gosh.